Yeah, thank you, Fiona. First of all, coming over here and witnessing such events, which are basically done for a cause.
Yes.
Okay? I'm president of the Rotary Club of Pune Central, which is one of the largest club in the entire Rotary district of 3131. We have got more than 134 members, and we are from the various section of the cross section of the professions. And as far as this event is concerned, this was the first event of this magnitude which we wanted to do for a cause. That is what is VAO said, KO-CHD, that is knockout CHD.
Yes.
When we say the knockout CHD is basically a congenital heart disease, which are basically done right from the newborn to a 2 or 3 years old. There's a hole in the heart, and if that is not done, then after 3 or 4 years the child. But if it is done, the child can live a normal life what we are living today. And each surgery costs between 1.25 to 1.5 lakhs of rupees. So through the sum of the hospital, we completely give this money, and the entire surgery, including all stay, everything is taken care of by this money. So for the parents, it is completely free. So with that cause, we started this event, and we said that the entire proceeding coming from this will go to the charitable cause. And that is the cause which is there. And I'm really thankful to the Indian Boxing Council, World Boxing Council, and all the participant boxers who really participated, fought for their national title. At the end of it, directly or indirectly, they also have contributed to a clause, which is very rare. If you ask someone like this to contribute, sometimes it becomes difficult. But you see, indirectly, they also realize that there will be some cause, it will be going for a cause. While they have defended their national title, and it also has gone for the cause. So that is what we really look forward it, and we look forward it. And Fiona, like you, if the media start, probably giving more and more publicity about it, we will get more support for such cause, and we will see that the event will become bigger, and bolder and better. So that's the objective of it.
So when is the next event again?
We are just now trying to see that, because this magnitude of the event takes a lot of efforts, a lot of time. We need to, and at the end of it, if we are not able to serve that cause, then the event just becomes an entertainment.
Exactly.
So basically what we are saying, the entertainment with a cause is very important.
Yes.
And that is what is our objective.